Hello everyone, myself Mrs. C.S. Nirali, Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, Kekeva College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik, under course number FCN 357, course title Instrumental Techniques in Food Analysis. Today we will see regarding quality determination of milk and milk products 17.4 experiment. Under that exercise number 2, study of different platform test. Today's practical objective for examination of milk by adopting rapid platform test for acceptance as well as rejection of incoming milk. Relevant information regarding this: milk is a product of biological origin and is a suitable vehicle to accommodate any additive without apparent changes in its look. The quality of milk and its products upon quality of raw milk. It is therefore necessary to check quality of raw milk to assess its suitability for processing through various quick tests called platform test. Platform tests include organoleptic evaluation, clot and boiling test, alcohol test, sediment test, Resource test. Precautions: preferable raw milk should be tested. Curdled or spoiled milk should be separated. Temperature of receiving milk at plant, that is raw milk receiving dock, should be 50 degrees Celsius. Material required: milk cans or containers, apparatus, thermometer, dipper, plunger. Temperature receiving of milk should be 5 degrees Celsius. Procedure for organoleptic evaluation: examine the given sample of milk and record your observations on following aspects. Odor or smell: it can be judged within 5 seconds. Remove the lid of can, hold it inverted and raise it to the nose and inhale for the smell. Record the odor or smell as normal or abnormal. Milk should be free from any off flavor like feedy, fishy, barney, cookie, etc. Based on organoleptic evaluation, accept or reject the milk. Observations should be noted down into this chart, like odor or smell of sample A, B, C, general appearance, color, consistency, temperature. Clot and boiling test. Objectives: to assess the acidity and suitability of milk for heat processing. Relevant information: if milk is kept as such at room temperature, there will be increase in the acidity, which is called as developed acidity. If acidity of milk is increased to more than 0.2%, there will be coagulation due to heat treatment, which is the result of dissociation of calcium caseinate salt. Hence, it is essential to know the heat stability of incoming raw milk for further processing. Precaution: avoid direct heating of milk and use hot water bath. Material required: milk and milk containers, test tube 20 ml capacity, hot water bath, test tube stand. Procedure: transfer 5 ml of milk in a 20 ml test tube using graduated pipette. Place the tube in boiling water bath for 5 minutes. Alternatively, hold the tube over a flame and allow the contents to boil. Observation of clots or flakes on test tube walls. Formation of flakes or clots indicate a positive test interpretation. Presence of clots or flakes indicate that the milk has developed acidity above 0.17 and is not suitable for pasteurization. Results will be recorded in the table given in this slide. Alcohol test. Objective of this test: rapid assessment of stability of milk to processing, particularly condensing and sterilization, to detect abnormal milk such as colostrums, mastitis milk, etc. Relevant information: the alcohol test is useful as an indication of the mineral balance of milk and not as an index of developed acidity. The test aids in detecting abnormal milk such as colostrums, milk from animals in late lactation, milk from animals suffering from Mastitis and milk in which balance has been disturbed. Precaution: avoid direct heating of milk. Materials required will be milk sample 68% ethyl alcohol by weight, 75% by volume, density 0.8675 grams per ml at 27 degrees Celsius. Apparatus: test tube 15 into 1.9 centimeters, preferably with the graduation mark at 5 and 10 ml. Pipette 10 into 0.1 ml graduated test tube stand. Procedure: transfer 5 ml of milk in a test tube using graduated pipette. Add equal volume amount of ethyl alcohol. Close the mouth of the test tube with the thumb and mix the contents well by inverting the test tube several times. Observe for information of any flakes on the wall of the test tube. Presence of flakes indicates positive test. Interpretation: flake formation shows that milk is abnormal, either due to high acidity or disturbed salt balance. Such milk is not suitable for high heat treatment. Observation can be noted in the table given in this slide. 10 minutes Resa-Jurin test. Objectives: to determine extent of bacteriological quality of milk. Relevant information: this test provides a rapid measure of the sanitary condition and keeping quality of milk. The majority of the organisms in milk are capable of reducing and decolorizing dye. This test is also based on the same principles as MBR, methylene blue reduction test, but dye is Resa-Jurin, which is much more sensitive than the methylene blue. During incubation, the dye undergoes reduction very largely through the metabolic activity of the organisms present. The greater the number of organisms present in milk, the more quickly the dye is reduced. Resa-Jurin reduction occurs in two stages. The first, an irreversible change from the blue to pink color, and in second stage, precaution: the test should be carried out aseptically. Material required: milk sample, Resa-Jurin color solution 0.05%, stock solution, dissolve 0.05 grams Resa-Jurin powder in 100 ml of distilled water. Heat for half an hour and cool. Test solution: transfer 1 ml of stock solution into 10 ml volumetric flask and make up the volume with distilled water. Apparatus: all-purpose Lovibond comparator with a color disc from blue to white. Water bath thematically controlled to maintain the temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. Test tube 10 ml without rim. Sterilized pipette 10 ml and 1 ml. Procedure: mix the sample thoroughly by inverting from one to another container. Pour 10 ml of milk sample into previously sterilized test tube. Add quickly 1 ml of Resa-Jurin solution in the test tube. Mix the milk and dye thoroughly by inverting 2 to 3 times. Place the tubes in the water bath. The temperature of 37.5 degrees Celsius only for 10 minutes. The tube is then removed from the water bath. Compare the color of test tube with a standard disc until the colors are matched under comparator. Record the number of disc or color disc. If color falls between two disc numbers, record half value. ISA standards for Resa-Jurin test. Interpretation: the results should be reinterpreted as follows: 4 and higher, satisfactory, milk accepted; 3.5 to 1, doubtful, perform other test; 5 to unsatisfactory, reject milk. Observation: if disc reading is less than 4, then milk is of poor quality. Thank you for your patience listening. These are the different platform tests which need to be performed whenever raw milk will be received at the raw milk reception dock. Thank you.